Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Cheryl, and can you believe it's almost Christmas? I'm so excited. I actually just finished decorating this morning. I have 3 Christmas trees up in my home, which may sound like a lot, but that's down from 12 that I used to put up in my home when my daughter was small. So I have downsized to 3 and it is all good. Can't believe it's almost Christmas. I'm so excited. I did spend a lot of the day today Christmas shopping, getting ready. But today I have a Stitch Fix unboxing to share with you guys. So I haven't gotten a Stitch Fix in quite a while. I did ask my stylist if she would send me holiday glam, kind of like the top that I'm wearing right now. This is actually from Nordstrom, and it will be in a trunk club unboxing that I will be doing shortly here on my channel. So if you like this top, stay tuned and I'll tell you all about it in my trunk club video that we'll be doing for you very, very soon. Anyway, I digress. Okay, so Stitch Fix, it's an online styling service. You're hooked up with a stylist. You can get it as often as you would like. You can get it monthly, on demand. I think some people get it bi-weekly. Whatever you want, whatever you need, you can have it your way. There's a $20 styling fee. That $20 will go toward anything that you decide to purchase from within the box. Shipping is always free, both ways. They include a addressed envelope inside every box. You just put whatever you don't want to keep back into the envelope, seal it up, take it to the post office. You have 3 days to decide. Let me see, is there anything else? Oh my goodness, it's great, it's fun. You should get one. I will include a link in the description box below. If you should decide to use my link, you will get $25 off your first box, which would take care of your styling fee and give you a little bit of credit towards anything that you might want to purchase from within the box. So, with that being said, let's get right into the box. So the first thing that I saw in my box is actually a shoe bag. I was so excited. And inside were these beautiful Sam Edelman booties. These are called the Kadisson Brahma heels in leopard. These are $120. These have the calf hair, the little pointy toe, little side zip, kitten heel. They have the beautiful Sam Edelman logo there on the back. They have the little notch out for your ankle. These are beautiful. They are so beautiful. I think that these would look lovely with skinny jeans or even with a dress. I think that they fit snugly enough to the ankle that they would look beautiful with a dress pants. Love. Sam Edelman quality is just unbeatable. I own several pairs of Sam Edelman shoes. Love them, gonna keep them. So the next thing that she sent me was actually a little jewelry box, and inside are a pair of earrings from Bancroft. Aren't these pretty? These are like the chunky, like glitter, large, very, very shimmery, shiny. These remind me of New Year's. These would be a beautiful pair of New Year's earrings. They're calling these the Arrow Sparkle Hoop earrings. These are $28. Very, very pretty. I like. Yes. Okay. On to the next. The next thing that she sent is actually a bodysuit. Now, I'm a tall girl. I don't typically buy bodysuits because my torso is so stinking long, but this one is so incredibly cute. This is actually by All in Favor. Isn't this pretty? Oh my goodness. It has the sheer sleeves with the kind of balloon sleeve. It has the Surplice, I think that's how you say that, the Surplice front. It does have a modesty snap. The gold metallic that runs throughout it is very, very eye-catching. This is called the Kline Surplice Bodysuit in black. This is $46. Love that glam. Okay, the next thing that she sent is actually a beautiful lace top in black. Oh my goodness. This is by the brand, if I can find it. I think this is Fortune and Ivy. It has the high neck with the sheer lace, and then the rest of it is kind of it kind of flares away, and it has like the nude underlayer, and so when the black lace lays over the top of the nude, it's so stinking pretty. This is actually the Bella lace blouse. This one is $38. It's stretchy. It's so very comfy. The lace is not scratchy at all. It's very soft lace. Has a little keyhole back with a little button in the back. I love this one. I don't know exactly where I would wear this. Probably with some sort of like blazer over the top, because it is cold here in Tennessee. So yeah, I really like that. The last thing that I have in this box is actually another blouse. This is by the brand, let me see, Brenna and M. This is the Lemmy V-neck blouse in dark green. This is $42. It is a V-neck, kind of a longer blouse. The print is almost like a tapestry sort of print. Has the roll tab sleeves, button sleeves on. You can either roll them up or wear them down. I'm not gonna lie, when I pulled this out of my box, I immediately thought tablecloth, Christmas tablecloth. I don't think that it flattered me particularly. You'll see in the try-on video, it didn't do anything special for me. I don't think that this one's gonna be a keeper, but it's exactly what I asked for. I asked for holiday glam. It does look like a holiday color and a holiday design, but more in the line of tablecloth than top. Anyway, so I hope you liked my video. I hope you liked this Stitch Fix unboxing. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think that I should keep, what I should send back, what you loved, what you didn't love. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would. That would be great. And so until next time, I hope you're having a wonderful holiday season, and I'll see you next time. Bye.